in that house?
Yeah, it's strong, yeah.
Is it in that house?
Yeah.
Should we go in?
Just ask. Just ask.
Okay.
Ask,
Yeah.
go on.
Okay, I'll ring. I'll ring on the door and I'll ask. Somebody's coming. Hello, we're from Paranormal TV and my friend Derek here is feeling presence in your house. Can you come in and have a look around?
Oh, I don't know about that.
He's really feeling a presence.
It's really a strong presence, love. I've got to come in.
Well,
Well, you better come in then, haven't you?
I can feel it, love. It's upstairs.
Derek got to go upstairs.
Why? Why?
Well, I can feel the presence upstairs.
You best go and
It's
look.
strong, love. It's strong.
Will you please go and look then for me?
There's a physical presence upstairs.
How long is he going to be? He's in my bedroom now. What's he doing?
Don't worry, Derek's professional. He knows what he's doing.
Oh, this place is haunted. Shift out your way.
Right, I better go now, love. Bye.
Where's he got? Why? He's got my underwear. What's he doing? The thieving scouse bastard.